ho, 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 ho. Happy holidays, everyone. Okay, so I've been gone for some time now. The reason why is because I got injured at work, so I was taking the time to recover. Right now, I'm fully recovered, so I'm back again with another unboxing. All right, let's get right into it. Hi, I'm Little Crazy, and welcome to my tech space.
Merry Christmas!
Okay, so today we are going to unbox the DJI RS2. All right, so this is the Pro Combo. Like you know, I always say, don't ever go for the standard one. Always go for the combo. Yeah, because the combo, you tend to get a lot of things. All right, so this is a gimbal for the camera, and I got this for the Sony ZV-E10. That's what I'm going to use this gimbal for. All right, yeah, this is a big box and it's very heavy. So in here, wow, there's quite a lot of things here. So much in here, as you can see over there. Yeah, there's quite a lot. Okay, so what we, let's open the box, find out what is in this box. Okay, before we do that, where is my unbox knife? It's right here, right? Okay, this is a new knife. You know, wife got me this right here. Yo, 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 shout out wife. Woo, woo, woo. For getting me a new unbox knife. Oof, no, yeah, have a look. Beautiful right there. Okay, so let's open this box here. Let's get rid of the plastic. Cut you out. Ooh. This is beautiful. Okay, so yeah, let me cut this side out. It's easy for me. That way, oh, knife back. Okay, cut here. Okay, cut that. Let's have a look at what is in this box. And you know what I always like to do? I always like to open the box, get everything out, and then we talk about it. Okay, so let's pop this top out. And oh yeah, okay. Yeah, so there we go. Bam, and not in the box here. Empty, empty, empty box. Okay, so what you get here in the box, you get a big bag, Pro. Right, okay, that is wonderful. Pro, and you know how I always love. Okay, so yeah, it comes with two manuals here, right? Right, got a manual over there for the gimbal, and then also for the Raven Eye. All right, so here is the bag that it comes with. Let's open the bag. Look, if you get the standard version, it doesn't come with a bag, so you're not gonna get a bag with it. I always say, make sure you get the combo. The combo always comes with a lot of goodies. In this case, you get to have a bag that comes with it, right? Okay, so let's open the box, and boom. Okay, what do we have here? Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, so before we start, unpacking here, so let's open this. I don't know what we have here. Let me take everything out, and then we can talk so much about this. Okay, so what do we have here? Bam. This is a tripod here. Okay, so this is your mount. It's just like the Manfrotto, tripod, right? So this is your release mount. Here you can use a different. So technically, it comes with two of them, right? This one is already here. Let me just release this. Right, this. Okay, so it's not technically the same. Where this one is a little bit higher, and this one is lower. Right? Okay. Yeah. So this is the release for your that goes onto the gimbal. Here, right? This is to support your lens, because you mount the camera over here, and that to support the lens, right? Anyway, let's put that on the side. It comes with that. This helps you to mount your mobile phone. Yeah, as you mount it on the side of the gimbal. It comes with that. That's beautiful. What we have here? Ooh, here. This is the focus moto. Here focus model. That is everything in this section of the bag. Right, that's everything, because you have all the accessories. That's what you get on this side. Yeah. Wow, that's quite a lot that comes with a Pro version. Let's check here. There's nothing here on this side. Okay, all right. Boom. Now let's open here. Let's see what we have in here. And wow, okay. Unpack this. Okay, let's take that out. And here is the gimbal. There's a gimbal right over there. But okay, so before I take that out, let's have a look here. This is a bunch of USB. USB Type C, USB Type, micro USB. This is a bunch of USB cables right here. So many USB cables. Thanks DJI. They always include a lot of cables, which that's what I appreciate about DJI really. And yeah, there's a lot of cables here. HDMI to micro HDMI and USB cable, USB Type C. Wow, yeah, a lot of cables. Thank you DJI. Yeah, okay. So just release the gimbal, and boom, that's what we're here for. We can get rid of this one out of the way. And there you go, here is the gimbal. Okay, so yeah, out of the bag, it is in this position here, right? So what you can do is, because this here is the locking mechanism for that, you can clip that, out of the way, and then once you unlock that, clip it in place and you lock it back. Right, and here is the gimbal. Yeah, I'm trying to turn it on, but it's not going to turn on. Why? It should have I thought it was going to have some juice with it. Well, I guess only the drones come with some juice in them, right? Okay, so I will have to charge this in order for just let me release that so that we can see it a little bit more here. Okay, so that is released there. It's in the unlock. Okay, so I just unlock all of it because all of them, they're in the lock position, so you just have to unlock. They have this little okay, so let me lock this here. All right, okay, let me lock that in place so that I can show. That's it right over there, this little locking mechanism. Yeah, so unlock that, and then it's the same here. All right, you click that and boom, that unlocks it. All right, unlocks the gimbal. Yeah, no juice in them, right? So will not be able to mount or use them at the moment until I put some juice in them. Right, unlock here, and then there you go. Okay, in this position here, so you can hold it and shoot. A lot of position into it. It has your USB Type C input here, your control knob. Let me close this in again. Yeah, over here, it has a screen. It has a screen over there. It's a joystick. There's a record button here. A USB Type C input goes right in over there. All right, so that's for the tripod. Over the here, so that you can shoot, right? Into why. Okay, this is just a quick unboxing to see what is in the box, what comes with the DJI RS2, the Pro Combo, and it comes with quite a lot of stuff. The gimbal with a lot of accessories and a lot of bunch of cables, which DJI appreciate you for doing that. It is fantastic. Keep on doing that. Okay, anyway, have a fantastic holiday, and thank you for joining me today on Crazy Tech Space, and I will see you in the next video. Chale. That's it.